YouTube, it's Donovan Brown, and today I'm going to be doing a scooter / bike check. First off, I'm going to do a scooter check. I got Razor Freestyle grips, Razor steel handlebars, a Razor double clamp, and a Razor double sealed tube with the Razor Ultra Pro deck. That Razor, I think it's 59mm wheels with Ultra Pro bearings, with Razor forks, with the gusts, with the Razor Ultra Pro brake, and the and Razor grip. And now moving on to my bike. I don't know a lot of stuff on my bike, but yeah. My bike, I got Colt D-Heart grips, nitrous OG bars, nitrous stem, integrated headset, nitrous stock forks, Poverty Pepperlight peg front and back, Eastern Monkey Curb front tire, and I don't know what it's laced to or nothing, and all that. And then I got a nitrous frame, I got nitrous cranks, I got Animal PC Hamilton pedals, I got a nitrous sprocket, KMC chain, and a Kenda back tire, and I don't know all this stuff. And I have another Poverty P-Light peg. That's pretty much it. That's the stuff I ride.